The kitty cats of awesomeness. Kitty cat. Wait.
So their breakfast is on the table.
Easton, I need help picking up Summer. I want to pick her up.
Just grab her under her waist.
I can't because this thing's in my way. She's getting really heavy.
I'm not done yet.
And a cup.
Mom,
So
me and Jemima are playing together.
So I'm like,
Is that what they like to eat? Or that's all they eat?
they like that. There was no sugar or anything, right?
Wait.
Like,
Yeah.
So the kids get up and I said, hey, I just want some toast and some, peanut butter and honey and Strider says, he says, well, we don't have very much bread. And I says, well, there's some bread here. I says, we'll use that. And I says, well, don't you have bread somewhere? He says, well, probably in the freezer. I says, well, go grab that then. Yeah. So Strider went and grabbed it. And I said, what?
Come on. Come on, you show me. Ah.
So then I
I
said,
found the cave.
do you guys want?
Easton, I have fooled the cat.
With the honey.
There was Shummy.
I found the cave.
See here? No, Summer. Stay there.
They're like, well, we don't have so much into.
There she is. The fur ball. So cute.
I says,
Oh, she's sleeping on my bag. Easton.
So they're, okay. So then I says, do you guys want the apples? Like,
Wait, I want to record you.
came with the mustard.
Look here, this angle. But I want it to keep like this.
But they had fruit. So I kept. So she's sleeping. Yeah, she's sleeping. So take them in lunch, right? But it doesn't take much to make toast and stuff. So when I went one time,
She likes my bag. Wait. Easton, come look at this. She likes my bag. She really likes my bag. Look, I move it over here. She will follow it. She likes my bag for some reason. She likes it. Why do you like my bag so much? Okay, I'll put it right here. There you go. I'll pick you up. Here you go. Go sleep on my bag.
She killed it and gobbled it down. Strider after she said, hey. But Blaze is still looking while the toast got done. So he's still the kisses. So then he puts his